Self-evaluation daw. Walang boses, walang feedback. Just me, my metrics, and the sound of my breathing. I thought everything's back to normal after the Q0 glitch last week. I logged in, did my intro spiel, pero may naririnig akong kakaiba sa headset. At first, akala ko feedback lang. Pero yung boses, parang kilala ko. Parang si Jepoy. Nag-refresh ako ng dashboard. Pero pagtingin ko, dalawa yung active calls. Same timestamp, same queue. Isa lang naman dapat ang live. Tinry kong i-end, pero ayaw mag-hang up. The second call kept running. Sa logs nakalagay, origin Q0. Then the whisper came back. Mas malinaw. Mas malapit. Huwag kang bababa. Narinig ko mismo sa earpiece. Pero yung channel, muted dapat lahat. Tumingin ako sa monitor. And for a split second, may second version ng sarili kong login name. Typing sa ilalim ng Q0. Akala ko silent evaluation lang. Pero this time, ako yung ini-evaluate?